Then can you say can you say your alphabets in ABC order? So Alabama,
Alaska,
mm-hmm,
Arizona,
mm-hmm,
Arkansas,
mm-hmm,
California,
yes,
Colorado,
yes,
Connecticut,
mm-hmm,
Delaware,
yes,
Florida,
Florida,
Georgia,
mm-hmm,
Hawaii,
mm-hmm,
Idaho,
yes,
Illinois,
mm-hmm,
Indiana,
Indiana,
Iowa,
Iowa,
Kansas,
mm-hmm,
Kentucky,
mm-hmm,
Louisiana,
mm-hmm,
Maine,
mm-hmm,
Maryland,
mm-hmm,
Massachusetts,
mm-hmm,
Michigan,
yes,
Minnesota,
yes,
Mississippi,
uh-huh,
Missouri,
mm-hmm,
Montana,
mm-hmm,
Nebraska,
mm-hmm,
Nevada,
mm-hmm,
New Hampshire,
New Hampshire,
New Jersey,
mm-hmm,
New Mexico,
yes,
New York,
New York,
North Carolina,
uh-huh,
North Dakota,
uh-huh,
Ohio,
Ohio,
Oklahoma,
mm-hmm,
Oregon,
Oregon,
Pennsylvania,
yes,
Rhode Island,
mm-hmm,
South Carolina,
uh-huh,
South Dakota,
yes,
Tennessee,
uh-huh,
Texas,
uh-huh,
Utah,
Utah,
Vermont, Virginia,
yes,
Washington,
mm-hmm,
West Virginia,
West Virginia,
Wisconsin,
Wisconsin,
Wyoming.
Wyoming. The end. Good job, Kaden.
I do this on I do this on the United States of America.
Okay, good job.